Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap. Beecher, local and long distance movers near me. We offer everything you need for your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on time move, and upfront pricing. Our team gives you the help you need no matter how far you need to go. We give you the right team to make sure you get packed up fast and efficiently. No matter the type of move you're dealing with, we can help. If you're ready to hire an Illinois moving company, you're ready to get the help you need. A local move is a big job and requires plenty of hard work. Without professional movers, your things might not get fully protected and your move might take much longer. Choosing 3 movers offers the right option for your local move. We give you the best moving services to make your moving day much easier. Our efficient process will help you get settled in faster and easier. Let us handle your move and it will be done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Beecher moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.